Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a custom post type on WordPress without any prior knowledge about coding and with easy way. So we're gonna use Elementor, the free version, and the CrocoBlock JetEngine, create and customize our custom post type. So let's see this in action. So this is the first thing I see when I open the website. It's the dashboard of the WordPress. And I have already installed Elementor and the CrocoBlock. We will not gonna use Elementor in this video. It will be on the next video when we restyle and adjust all the settings of our custom post type in the front end of the website. So we will focus now on how to create that custom post type. And here you can see I have Elementor and the JetEngine. So to start, we're gonna open the JetEngine, then the post types. Here you can see all the custom post types we have created, and also we have a built-in option, so we can see all the built-in post types inside WordPress. So let's switch back to JetEngine and let's add a new one. At the first glance, it might look overwhelming information, like what are all this information about? We don't need to take care of any of those information. I would just let you know which information you need to adjust. So let's start from the general settings. You need the custom post name. I'm gonna name this as a doctors, and you will find the slug populated automatically. Then leave everything in the labels as the default. You don't need to play in this. Then go to the advanced settings. Everything should be the same. It's public and everything, but in regards of the show and rest API, you don't need to make this active unless you're planning to connect your website to a third-party application or any system like a CRM or so. We will talk on this API in another video, but let's focus on our custom post type now. So in this panel, the advanced, all you need to take care of is where do you want to list this post type. So I would say here after the dashboard. This will list it here after the dashboard icon. It will be here, and we can change the icon. We can pick up anything like this gear, for example, and we will have a title and editor. If you want to add any more of the built-in options in the WordPress, you can choose any of those. But I usually go for the title and editor, and any more information I want to add, I'm using the meta fields. So meta fields is another word for custom fields. Let's add more fields here. We can add two fields here, one for the email and one for the phone number. So let's start with the email. This populates automatically. You can change it, but we will choose this as a field, and we need the field to be text. And for the phone number, we're gonna create a new one. Phone populates automatically, and instead of text, I'm gonna use number, so no one can enter anything other than numbers. Now we have everything created. We can test this. Okay, so now you see your doctors here. If we open this in a new tab, just to keep this one here, we can find our new custom post type, and we can create a doctor's inside. So the title, for example, we can say this is the doctor's name. So Mark, for example, we can get some lorem ipsum here, and this is the doctor's information, like mark@gmail.com, any phone number, and let's publish this. If you go back to the doctors, you can find it here with Mark, but now we cannot see any more information like his email or phone number here. We have to open it in order to see that. So if we go back, this comes in the admin columns. We can open this here and add a new. Let's say we need the email. Let's choose this email, and I'm gonna get the value from the meta field. And what is the field name? we just gave the names. Those are the names with the gray. If you open this, you can take the name from here. It's a case sensitive, and put it here. The column order, we need this to be 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you need. So I need the name to be the first option, then the email to be the second one. So I'm gonna say this is number 2. Update, and let's see this. Now we have the doctor's email. We can repeat this process in order to get his phone number or any kind of custom fields inside that post. So what is the filter here do? If you come here in the custom post type, you have filters, but those filters are for all dates, and you have November, which is the date that we created this custom post type. What if we need to filter with emails? So I will go back, open the filters, add a new filter. Let's name this email also, and the type for this will be metadata. I'm gonna bring this email information from a meta field. So by opening this, what is the meta field name? Here we have a drop down with all the fields we have. I'm gonna choose email. Then in the option source, in order to list this, you have to have a list that's saying the filter should be email, phone number, and so on. So this could be created in glossary. What is glossary? It's something built inside the JetEngine. So let's do this now, and we have no glossary. So how to create one? We can go back to the JetEngine, open JetEngine, and here we have glossaries. Open it, and you can create a new one. So let's say this is email. No, let's say it's doctor's filter. Doctor's filter. And the data source, I'm gonna set it manually. And let's add our first filter, which is email. And let's save this. So by going back to our custom post type creation window, let's refresh this and re-add the filter from the beginning in order to find our newly created glossary. So the name is email, the type is metadata, email, and let's choose glossary. Now we can find doctor's filter that we just created. By choosing this and save, we can refresh our page, and now you see filter by email. If you have a big list of doctors, you can filter using the email. So this brings our video to its end, but I know that some of you are asking, why did we install Elementor in the first place? We didn't use it. So we will use Elementor in the next video in order to create a listing and style it in the front end of the website, in order to show our doctors or our apartments or anything that your business using, in order to show that on the website. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you and have a good day.